Hey guys, I've maximized my feet business income. You want to know how? Stick around and you'll find out. Hey everyone, nice to do feet business with all of you. I've seen a lot of people post pictures online of their feet as of recently, and it's nice to see that people are hopping on this trend. But you know, to make people generally aware and maximize their potential growth, I will share with you the top sites where to post your feet pictures. Stay around and let us do serious business right here, right now. If you are new to this channel and want to know more about earning money online, please click subscribe, down there. It's really easy, it's quick, and you'll gain more information. And if you have yet to watch my previous videos in general, please click on the description below. There's some video links for you to watch to help you start on your feetpreneurship journey. All right, Fetish, let's get straight into business. I've collected the top 5 platforms where to post your feet pictures online that are legit money-making websites for feet pics. So buying and selling, In our previous videos, we highly emphasize that posting pics requires time researching for great content ideas. Obviously, you don't want to just keep posting the same thing, right? So if you have that noted in mind, it will open up your chance to maximize your income essentially, and resources as well. It would help if you always go for quality photos to earn more and be the top seller. Once you have the resources, distribute them to other sites and social media accounts. It wouldn't hurt your content, but make sure you don't give out your personal information, because obviously that's just a general rule I feel like people should follow in this day and age, right? Here are the top platforms that you can post your high quality feet pictures online. Number 1, you got FeetFinder. Number 2, you got Instagram. Number 3, you got Facebook. Number 4, you got TikTok. Number 5, you got Pinterest. Of course, FeetFinder is the top website because it is the safest feet buying platform known by many. FeetFinder.com has proven its legitimacy with its super secure payment options, and plus, they protect the identity of both buyers and sellers, which is phenomenal. They want to keep it discreet, which is great. FeetFinder is the most convenient website for verified users to buy or sell custom foot content in a safe and secure environment. So maximize all of your resources online, right? And remember that the more you post feet pictures online, the greater your chances you will earn more money and income, obviously, from this. So you want to consistently post content, essentially, just like anything else in today's day and age of how content goes. You got to just keep being very consistent with it, or else you do, the chances are way higher if you just keep posting stuff. That's just the general gist of it. So, to make sure to geo-target your audience with the same fetish interest as you do. Of course, you can also cross-post your foot content to social media platform. This is an important tip to remember. Be careful not to overboost your content, as it might be tagged as spammy, which would risk your social media account from getting banned. So you don't want to seem like a bot, because there's a lot of bots out there posting stuff like that. So that's it for today's video. So if you want to ask something about FeetFinder.com, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. And plus a shout out too, honestly. Feel free to subscribe to this channel to learn about FeetFinder and its legitimacy. Wishing you a happy and healthy exploration into whatever turns you on.